In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a login page in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to restrict access to a specific page on your website, Hostinger makes this pretty simple by letting you protect that page with a password. This is useful if you're creating members-only content, private client information, internal team pages, or any section that shouldn't be visible to everyone visiting your site. One important thing to understand before we begin is that this method applies only to the individual page you choose, not to your entire website. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the website you want to work on and click Website to access its management area. From there, click Edit Website to open the Hostinger Website Builder. After the builder loads, look for the Pages section. This is where you can view and manage all the pages on your website. Browse through the list and locate the specific page you want to protect. When you find it, hover your mouse over that page so the additional options appear. Next, click the three-dot menu next to that page. This opens a small settings menu with more actions available for that page. In the menu, click Password. This is the option that allows you to add password protection and essentially create a private access page for visitors. You'll now see a field where you can enter the password for that page. Type in the password you want visitors to use in order to access it. Make sure you choose something secure, but also easy enough to share with the people who need access. Since this password controls entry to that page, it's a good idea to store it somewhere safe so you don't forget it later. Once the password is entered, the page will be protected and visitors will need to enter that password before they can view the content. Keep in mind that this setup only applies to the page you selected. If you want to protect other pages too, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one individually. That's all it takes to add a login-style protected page in Hostinger Website Builder. It's a quick and practical way to control access without making major changes to your site. If you're using this for private content, it's also a good idea to test the page yourself afterward to make sure the password prompt appears correctly and the page behaves the way you expect.